know this is going to be my last time as a player. This not going to be the last time I ever be in the building. So it'll be a lot of emotions rolling through my mind.
19 years ago today, February 5th, 1999, my first game. February 5th, 2017, my last game.
Baby. Great career. Keep your dry eyes. All right, I'm trying.
This is very nice football. This is beautiful by the people of Boston. Because you can't forget, he's only second to John Havlicek in scoring, with the Boston Celtics. Plus, in the championship year of 2008, he was the MVP of the championship run.
And one last look at Pierce. Appropriate ending for Paul Pierce.
I'm soaking it all in. I mean, they just showered me with love today. I'm truly grateful to be able to play with the best fans in the world for 15 years, and man, they truly showed it tonight.
And him making that shot, that's just, I don't know what the heck that is. That only happens like here, or I don't know what that is. I don't know who could sit that long, and walk in on the floor and make a shot. For Paul, that was perfect.
I just went out there and gave everything I could for an organization for 15 years, and wherever they placed me, so be it, but I know I gave my all.